In this video we will talk about 5 detailed signs she has feeling for you, so let's start the video. 1. She makes an effort to spend time with you. One of the most significant signs that a woman has feelings for you is that she actively seeks your company. She will make an effort to spend time with you, whether it's through one-on-one outings, inviting you to events, or finding reasons to be around. 2. She engages in meaningful conversation. If she's interested in you, she'll engage in deep and meaningful conversations. She'll ask about your life, share her thoughts and feelings, and show genuine interest in getting to know you on a personal level. 3. Physical contact. Physical touch can be a powerful indicator of romantic interest. If she frequently initiates or welcomes casual physical contact, like hugging, touching your arm, or playful touching, it's often a sign of affection. 4. She compliments you. Women who have feelings for you will often offer sincere compliments. She might praise your appearance, intelligence, or personal qualities, showing that she appreciates and admires you. 5. She's supportive and considerate. A woman who cares about you will go out of her way to support you. She'll offer help when you're in need, show concern for your well-being, and be there for you during difficult times. Her actions will reflect genuine care and consideration for your feelings. Remember that these signs are not universal, and individuals may express their feelings differently. Additionally, someone may exhibit some of these signs without necessarily having romantic feelings. The best way to confirm someone's feelings is through open and honest communication. If you liked the video, then do like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.